friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Sylvester the cat, the little put-em cat. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of lay this out. There's his nose, his head. We got some ears here, little mouth thing, neck. There's his body. Here's one arm. The other arm's gonna be coming up with a little claw. And then we have his little Sylvester feet and his little Sylvester tail. All right, now I am ready to go. So to start with, we're gonna make his big red Sylvester the cat nose. Just like so. Then we're gonna draw one N here and another N here. And then we're gonna put one eye here and the other eye here. Because poor old Sylvester, he gets confused. He's a little cross-eyed. And we'll put a little light in that. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Then we're going to draw his little Sylvester mouth, which is like a little curvy W with a little extra curve on it. And we'll put his little whiskery whiskers, just like that. All right. Then I'll come over here to the nose and I'm gonna come around, zigzag, 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 and come back around and down. Then I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna come over here, zigzag, zigzag, back around and down. All right. And you know what? I might as well just draw his belly. We're gonna come down, around, back up. Here's his little chesty, just like so. All right, then his head is gonna come up, zigzag, zigzag, and come back down like so. Then he's got his ears, just like that. Straight line, curvy line, extra line in there. I think I'm gonna put a little more hair on his head. It's looking like Sylvester, he just needs some color. All right, then he's got an arm that comes out here, comes up, comes down here, rounded, comes up, little zigzag. Then he's got one finger here with a little C-claw, like that. Then he's got another finger like that, and another finger like that, and the palm of his little cat hand. And then he's got another finger coming up with a little claw, coming back down. Looks good. All right, then for the other side of him, he's gonna have a little piece coming down here, and then an arm coming around, zigzag, zigzag, and coming back. And then his little, this is the side of him, and then his other hand looks like this, so it's just kind of a roundish line. We're gonna put a line here, and another finger here, just like that. And then he's gonna have that come back like that. Easy as that. All right, then we're gonna drop down to his legs. So we're gonna have a line that comes here, comes around, Here's a little claw. Back. Another one. There's a little claw. Comes back. And then we just have the little one right here. It's gonna come up and up around and then shoot. We might as well just get his tail in here. And then he's got a little zigzag, zigzag. And then over here, the leg comes down and around, down, the little claw. Little claw. And back around. There we go. And there is Sylvester the cat. And I'm going to make his leg a little thicker through here. I like that better, and we'll color that in. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.